Hi, this is Rachelle with Scrapcraftastic, and I'm back to do another weekly setup in my work planner, which is a DIY half letter disc bound planner. This cover that I have it in is from Moterm, and this is what the planner looks like. I use printable inserts that are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. So we are doing the second week in January, which is the 9th through the 15th. And I'll be using this Walmart washi tape, this doll from Let's Get Planned, and these leftover burgundy bloom stickers from Let's Get Planned. And I think the washi tape will work with both. This is kind of all I have to work with as far as deco. So we are going to try and stretch it and supplement with this washi tape that is also a floral, kind of in the same color family. And I'm using the horizontal inserts. However, I'm just going to cut this with the scissors afterwards. The vertical version of this insert is also available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites. The inserts are dated. You get the full month of January, and February inserts will be coming out. If they're not already out by the time you see this video, they'll be coming out soon. So let's do this. Try to get it as even as possible. All right, so we got our floral base. Let's try to trim this up. I'm going to go ahead and put the doll down. Probably regret this, but again, we are keeping these weekly spreads as simple as possible. And let's do this. Finish that sheet. Let's cut this like that. Like that. Do this one here. Kind of covers up my date a little bit, but that's fine. And then I really hate to be symmetrical like that, but should I do that up at the top and then a piece down here by her? Let's see if I can kind of cut that like that. Let's see if we can put that under her just a little bit. And then put this up here. Like that. Okay. So that is it for the deco that I have. Let's see what boxes I have. Oh, I do have some other floral stickers. Let's see what I have in florals before we dive into boxes. Ooh, I'm gonna have to use these florals. Okay, I have those that I can use. These are from the seasonal pages, I think. Or either, I think these are some that I made myself actually. Let's see if we can incorporate a couple of those and then we'll call it good. Let's get a lighter one and a darker one. This looks very Valentine's Day-ish already. Maybe I need a couple more to balance it. Then I have these too, but no. This is us that I have been pulling from. I think I can use some stickers from here. Let's go for it. I was gonna save this for another spread, but maybe I won't. Let's use some of these half boxes. Checklist box. So we can put that over here. Monday. Let's do this on Friday, because I'm hopefully going to be doing new releases on Fridays. If you didn't know, I have started reviving my Etsy shop. I really regret kind of moving from it back when Etsy made everybody mad the first time. And so what I did was I moved to my shop completely to my website. And I just think that that was probably a mistake. I don't know. But anyway, I'm going back to Etsy, and I have two shops. I will link both of them in the description box below. Yeah, okay. I'm gonna use this because I like it. Or should I put it right here? That's gonna cover up. Nope, I'm gonna put it down here. I think that's it. I'll save the rest of that for another spread. But wait a minute, there's some florals here that I could probably use. Then I can use this box and this box. Okay, and these are some other stickers from me and my big ideas, which is associated with the Happy Planner that I want to go ahead and use up. So let's pull a few of these little bits and pieces. This even has some quotes in it. I need to keep this beside me when I am doing the deco. Let's finish off this page at least. So these are clear gold foil leaf stickers and floral stickers. Enough playing around. That is it. Let's pop this back in, see what we've got. I didn't have to actually use my boxes, so that's good. I'm using my stash. That is it for this spread. I used burgundy blooms from Let's Get Planned. The dollars from Let's Get Planned. The washi tape is from Walmart. The dark floral stickers, I think, are my own stickers. And the other florals, of course, are Let's Get Planned. The boxes are from This Is Us, Paper House, and Jameson Reed. The little teeny florals are from Me and My Big Ideas, as well as the gold foil leaves / florals. The inserts are available to Scrapcraftastic patron elites, and I think that is everything. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you may be interested in this other video. Thanks for watching, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.